This is the knowledge base of an AI product advisor agent that I have created for my electronic store with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. And this AI agent that I have created helps each of my customer decide what they want to buy from my store based on their requirements. To get help from this AI agent, all my customers have to do is just send this keyword advice inside my WhatsApp chat. After that, this WhatsApp AI agent will get triggered instantly and at first it will greet them. This is the welcome message that I have received from my AI agent. Now I will interact with it and I will show you how this AI agent will help me decide what I want to buy. So now first of all, as it is asking us to choose any option, that's why let's just select this particular option, gaming laptop recommendation, and send it in the chat. Instantly this AI agent has sent me this message: to help with gaming laptop recommendations, tell me these two things: your gaming budget and type of gaming you do. So now I have to reply for both of these questions. First of all, for this gaming budget, I will just copy this text from here and send it in here. For this second message also, type of gaming you do, as I want this competitive gaming, so I will select this, then I will send it in here. After that, I will send this message in the chat. You can see this AI agent has suggested me this laptop, Asus ROG Strix gaming laptop, and it has also provided why it fits competitive gaming. Then it is asking me if you share your preferred games and whether you prefer performance or portability. I can fine tune the quick pick and I can also help you check in-store availability or book a demo. Happy to help. So you just saw how easy it was for me to decide what I want to buy as per my requirement with the help of this AI agent. Now think of this as a businessman's perspective. If you have this AI agent working for you 24/7, just imagine how immensely your sales will get boosted. So this was the demo of my AI agent which I have created inside my Pabbly Chatflow account. And if you are waiting for the next 10 minutes, you will also be able to create this exact same AI agent inside your Pabbly Chatflow account. Now, without wasting your time, let me show you how to create this AI agent. For that, at first, you have to access the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. So in here, if you are a new user, just follow the steps that I'm showing you. First of all, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/chatflow. After that, you will get directed on this landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. In here, we have got these two different options: sign in and sign up free. If you are a new user, click on this sign up free button and create your free account, where you will get 100 free credits every month that Pabbly Chatflow gives to every new user. And after your credits are expired, if you wish to get more credits, you can anytime upgrade to the premium version of Pabbly, where you just have to pay once to get lifetime access at Pabbly. And if you will use my coupon code JAIYT, you will also get an exciting discount on our yearly and lifetime subscription plans. So I will suggest you just go and buy our subscription right now. But if you have already bought a subscription and you are an existing user here, then you have to click on this sign in button. You will get directed on this all apps page of Pabbly, where Pabbly has the 7 amazing and powerful applications. From here, as we have to access the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow, that's why we have to click on this access now button. Now we are inside this dashboard. So the first thing that you have to do when you are in here is add your WhatsApp number in order to use Pabbly Chatflow. If you want to add your WhatsApp number, click on this button and select any of these following methods: WhatsApp connect method or manual token connect method. After adding your WhatsApp number, this column will be accessible to you. In here, we have these amazing features. So if you want to learn in detail about any of these following features, or if you face any trouble while adding your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow, then you can take help from the videos that I have added in the description box. So we are inside our dashboard. We have also added our WhatsApp number. Now let us start creating our AI assistant. For that, from this column itself, just select this AI assistant visible here. In here, you can see these are all the AI assistant that I have created for myself. And this is the exact same AI assistant, AI product advisor for an electronic store, that I have shown you in the beginning of this video. So first of all, I will deactivate this AI agent from here. For that, I just have to click on this deactivate button. You can see my AI assistant is deactivated successfully. Now I will show you how to create this exact same AI assistant for your business. To start creating your assistant, just click on this add AI assistant button. Then in here, you have to give a meaningful name to your assistant to recognize it later. So I will name my assistant as this AI product advisor for an electronic store. So you also have to give a name to your assistant, then just press this add AI assistant button. Now inside this page, to create our AI assistant, we just have to work on 4 simple steps: AI instructions, knowledge source, assistant interface, and at last this is styling. So first of all, let us begin with this AI instructions. In here, we have to provide all the instructions with the help of which our AI agent will work. First of all, we have to select this instruction type. So from this drop down, I will select this AI agent because I want to create an AI agent for myself. But if you want, you can select any other instruction type like this customer support agent, sales agent, language tutor. So basically with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, you can create multiple types of AI agents. So let us select our instruction type as this AI agent. Now you can see inside this instructions box, the role and constraints of our AI agent are already added. Here this text is written for us, provide instructions for how the AI assistant should respond to users. Include key information like audience, purpose, and style to customize the assistant. So these instructions are basically the guidelines for our AI agent that how it should respond to our users. If you want to add any instruction inside this box, you can add that on your own. Now we have to move towards this AI configuration. First of all, for this temperature, you can see this 0.5 is set automatically. This temperature sets how creative AI's answers are. 0 means more focused and 1 means more creative. That's why to maintain a balance between focus and creativity, 0.5 is set automatically. If you want to increase or decrease this temperature, you can do that by clicking on this arrow available on the right side. Next, for this select AI to use, we have to select this OpenAI. After that, for this model, I will select this GPT 5.2 as my model. But if you want, you can select any other model from here. So let us select our model, and after that, we have to add this API key. To get this API key, at first you have to purchase a paid subscription of OpenAI. Then come back on this page and click on this hyperlink OpenAI API keys page. You will get directed on this OpenAI platform. In here, you have to click on this create new secret key to generate a secret key for yourself. Then you just have to copy this key from here, paste it inside the box, and press this connect button to save your API key. In here, I will add my own API key, then we will move further. My OpenAI key is saved successfully. For this AI assistant settings, I have got these 5 different options: header message, footer message, stop keyword, retry attempt, and fallback message. If I want to use any of these following key settings, I just have to turn these buttons on to use them. For this header message, if you want to use this, just turn this button on, then inside this box, you have to add a header for yourself. So let us type down in here this message hello, and after adding this header, this particular message will get sent to each of my customer with every reply of my AI assistant. But if you do not want to use this, just turn this button off like this. The same goes for this footer message. Now for this stop keyword, I will show you how to use this as this is important one. Just turn this button on. Inside this box, add any keyword like this exit. Then make sure to click on this enter button to successfully add this keyword, otherwise this will not work. In here, you can add multiple keywords also. After adding this keyword, this stop keyword will work, so as whenever your customer will send this keyword exit inside your chat, your WhatsApp chat bot will stop working for them. Then if you want, you can also take over the chat manually. Now for this retry attempt, in here we can add retry attempts for our customer by adding number in range of 1 to 10. Next, for this fallback message, here this message is added. If you want to change this, you can also do that on your own. This message will get sent to your customer when your AI assistant API is not responding correctly. We have successfully completed the first step of creation of our AI agent. Now we will move towards this knowledge source. In here, we have to upload a file. For that, these instructions are written. Connect knowledge unique to your business. Include FAQs, company background, and more that your chatbot can utilize when answering questions. So basically, in here, we have to upload a file with every minute detail about our business, which will work as a brain of our AI agent. And this information will help our AI agent to help our customers. And for this particular knowledge base, here these conditions are written that the size must be less than 90 MB. Accepted formats are .txt or .pdf. For this .pdf, there is one more condition that no page limit for text PDFs, but if the PDF has images, it is limited to 10 pages. Inside my Google Docs account, you can see I have already created this knowledge base where I have provided every single detail about how my AI agent should respond and chat with my customers. In here, I have provided every single details which will help my AI agent. Now we have to download this from here. So for that, go inside this file, go on this download, and you can select any of these two eligible formats, .pdf or .txt, inside our Pabbly Chatflow account. So I will select this .pdf format, and then you will see instantly my file will get downloaded. Here it is downloaded. So let us go back inside our Pabbly Chatflow account. Then from this downloads, I will drag my file and drop it in here. You can see it is getting uploaded. So meanwhile it is getting uploaded, let us move towards the third step, assistant interface. In here, this box is visible to you from the beginning of this video. If you want to change anything inside this box, you just have to type down those details inside these fields. Here you can see my knowledge base is also uploaded. Now first of all, let me show you how you can change these details. For this, your brand name, in here we have to add heading. So if you want to change this, just in place of this your brand name, paste the name of your brand, and you can see it has changed successfully. And the same goes for this subheading, we are online and happy to assist you. If you want to change the subheading, add any other text inside this box to successfully change it. Now for this initial message, you can see here the one message is already added. If you want to add one more message in here, just type down that message and press this enter button to successfully add it. You can see here these two messages are added, and in here we can add only two messages. Now for this powered by Pabbly, which is visible here, if you want to enable or disable it, you can select it from this drop down. Then for this privacy policy, which is actually a hyperlink, if you want to create this, you just have to type down the text inside this footer text box and paste link in here for this footer link to successfully create your hyperlink. After that, at last, for this user first message, I need help is added. If you want, you can also change this message by typing anything else inside this box. With this, we have also completed the third step. Now let us move toward this last step, styling. In here, I can style my AI agent. Like I can change the theme into light or dark. I can change the shape of assistant into circle, square or rounded square. If I want, I can change the background color, profile picture or anything else from here. But as I do not want to change them, so I will directly turn this AI agent on from here, and I'll press the Save AI Assistant button because I have successfully completed the creation of this AI agent. Now as we have completed the creation, so let me tell you one more thing. If you want to use this AI agent from your website, click on this embed button, copy this script from here and paste it inside your website. Then this AI agent will also work for your customer from your website. We have successfully completed our creation. Now we just have to test our WhatsApp AI agent. For that, we will create a small flow with the help of which this AI agent will only get activated for those customers who will send a particular keyword that we will add inside our flow. Now to create a flow, we will go inside this flow and select this flows from here. After that, to create a new flow, just click on this add flow button. Then this trigger option will be visible to you. But before working on this trigger, make sure to give a meaningful name to your chatbot. So I will name my chatbot as this Novatech Electronics Hub. After that, I will work on my trigger step. First of all, we have to select our trigger event. For my trigger event, as I want my chatbot to get triggered with the help of some keywords that I will add here, that's why I will select this particular trigger event. But if you want, you can select any other trigger event from here as per your preference. So I will select this keyword or regex match as my trigger event. Now in here, I have to add some keywords. To add keyword, you just have to type down the keyword that you want to add and press this enter button to successfully add this keyword. With the help of this keyword, anytime your customer will send this keyword, this WhatsApp chatbot will get triggered automatically and it will perform an action. For my action step, I want that this particular AI agent that we have just created will get activated to my customer. So for that, from this action features, we just have to drag this assign AI assistant node and drop it in here. We have to connect both of these following circles to make sure that this AI assistant gets activated after my customer send this keyword advice. Now for this select AI assistant, we have to select the AI assistant that we have just created. Then for this start with, I have these 4 different options, but I will select this use client message because I want my AI assistant to get triggered with the help of my client's message. We have successfully completed this flow also. Now make sure to click on this save flow, otherwise your flow will not work as you expect it to work. Our flow is updated. Now we just have to check if this flow and AI assistant are working properly or not. For that, let us go again inside our WhatsApp account. Then in here, we have to send this keyword advice again. After that, you will see instantly my WhatsApp chatbot will get triggered and it will assign the AI assistant that I have created inside my chat. I have successfully received this message from my AI assistant. This means that the flow and AI agent that we have created inside our Pabbly Chatflow account are working all fine. Just like this, you can also get this amazing AI assistant inside your Pabbly Chatflow account so that you can also run your business on autopilot. That's it for this video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your team members. Just a quick reminder that if you are thinking to go premium, don't forget to use this coupon code JAIYT, also available in the description box. That's it for now. See you in the next one. Not just this, you can create many more WhatsApp chatbots to automate your business with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. And if you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. And for your queries, you can ask them at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you have to check up this following website. Now, what are you waiting for? Just go and create your free account at Pabbly Chatflow.